Ok. Je vais descendre la musique là. Non, je vais mettre un petit jazz parce que la police a un jazz. Si là, un jazz là, il y a mon chance. Ok, un petit jazz, non, ça va bon. Non, ça va bon. Ok. Ça va bon. Pas de musique, ça va. Ok. Okay, Radio, please help me, Radio. Radio, help me. Damn it. Eu vim arrêter là, mais belle sous moi. Oh, Jesus, il laisse gabis là, pas mettre dehors hier soir. Pas comprendre les sens non. Pas faire mouvement, pas faire mouvement. Sinon, tu vas mettre matin. Tu es monsieur pour ça. Ok. On met le chapeau à passer, on va le chapeau. Non, on met le chapeau à passer. Il a mes chapeaux à passer. Son style. Ok, non, on met le chapeau. Ok. Ça me fait là. Pas comprendre, non.
Line 7-2, I got a Montego, green color. Roger back.
Elle a venu. Ok. Mon chapeau encore. Ok. Mon métier chapeau à passer. Bon. Ok.
Hey, how you doing today? Your license and registration, please.
I turn the radio off.
Okay.
No, I don't turn it down. I turn it off.
That's fine.
Because I don't want to give you a distraction.
No distraction.
I don't want a distraction.
That's fine. Okay, yeah. Watch your hands there. Okay. All right. Thank you. Appreciate that. Just gonna run that here, okay? You okay there?
Sir?
Yeah.
I'm coming to the realization you need to do your job.
I'm sorry?
Because I'm used to do security.
Okay.
Right on the Promiseless Boulevard. I do the security for the shop over there. And I got there sometimes. They got the children. They come in the skateboard.
Yeah.
They take the skateboard. They go on every day. Jump. They jump. Every day, all over the place. I tell them they cannot do that because I need to do my job. I need to do my job. So what I'm tell you, please, sir, give it a chance. Because when I got the kids, they come in the skateboard. I give it a chance.
I'm not sure if I
understand. Because they're the children.
Okay.
Please, sir, I don't say I'm the children, but in the eyes for Jesus Christ, with the children.
Jesus?
Give me one chance, please, sir. One chance. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Jesus. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
That's right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Jesus.
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, just get on your way,
Sir,
okay? Yeah.
I'm gonna be pray for your family.
Okay.
Give me pray for your family.
I don't think they need prayer.
Because Jesus can be coming.
Sure.
Tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow, Jesus can be coming.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right, make sure you put your seatbelt on now,
Thank
okay?
you, sir, so much. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Seatbelt.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
no,
sir.
Seatbelt.
Okay.
Okay, your seatbelt.
Okay.
Oh, it's on.
Listen,
Good.
That's the problem.
All right, get out of here now.